Running out of Google storage because your photos keep backing up automatically? In the next 90 seconds, I'll show you how to stop Google Photos from uploading your gallery. First, open the Google Photos app. Tap your profile picture at the top right corner. Next, tap Photos Settings, then Backup. Toggle Backup off. This immediately stops all future uploads from your gallery. If you only want to stop certain folders, go to Backup, Device Folders. Then, turn off Backup for folders like WhatsApp, screenshots, or downloads. Quick tip, turning off Backup won't delete any photos already uploaded. It only stops new ones. Quick question, are you trying to save storage or just control what gets backed up? If this video has helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.